So he comes out. There he is.
What up?
It was good, man.
Oh shit.
You got space?
Yeah. How are you guys? Missed you guys.
Yeah, miss you too, bro.
The only person that could drive us legally. That's so sad, bro. My license is expired.
My shit's suspended.
It's okay, I can still drive.
How should we get there the fastest?
I don't know. You can still sell it. You can get the cheap ass parts. You know?
What? Hold on, I'm trying. I want to pull up to the front. I don't even think it's gonna go up there. I don't even think it's gonna go up. Oh shit! My hands are wet. This is my fucking thing too, dude. I don't even know what gear this is in. It doesn't even want to go in first. Go in second and then first, yeah. There you go. Turn the heat on. Well, I still got. How do you do the bad ones?
Look at this.
Get the taillights.
Yeah, bro, basically, bro, car works. Everything works, bro. Check the base suspension.
Dude, the first gear is like no first gear, I think.
Yeah.
It's like weird. Like, is this first gear?
I told you, it's fucked up. I know. But if
No, I guess it's a new clutch too, right?
Yeah, it's a new clutch.
We put a lot of work in this.
I put so much.
That's something like you jump much? Okay.
Well, like Chanti, Chabon. I don't know, maybe you know him. Where's the mechanic? Let's go here.
Let me go with him. Just
carbon print like everywhere.
hey, go up in the front, see if the car's towed or no ticket.
What is this? A fucking.
Oh man, cause I was sitting on it.
No, I'm saying this is like a fucking window regulator down here. Fucking handle and shit. You gotta spin it. How do you move this shit? There you go. Fucking metal pedals from buses.
Does it have a heat?
Let's check. Okay. Defrost. Your defrost doesn't work.
This is new. This wasn't here last time. I was saw the other things on. This steering cover is new. Just turn on the heat. Fuck the heat.
This is power steering is bad. It's not that bad.
I know, bro.
I think I'll just take this bitch super slow, turn on the four-way flashes, and make that bitch back home. Just that's how we're gonna ride it out, all the way down with four-way flashers. And listen, and don't come close. Fuck you up. And the power steering is fine. It's just this fucking the whole suspension's fucked. This guy can't drive for shit. Which way is it?
Take us straight. Yeah. Chill.
Oh, fuck it, it's fucked up.
Yeah, what do you think is wrong with it? Oh.
This bitch will go into second gear. Yeah, we're gonna definitely have to be riding this bitch super slow. Like, this is going straight, bro, and me trying to keep it straight.
Yeah?
Yeah, bro, it's pulling like this.
It's not an alignment issue, you think?
Dude, it's more than a fucking alignment. Holy fuck, this is scary, bro. I swear to God, it has a skip in the fucking. I think the steering rack is completely fucked. This motherfucker fucked the shit up. That was me trying to fucking keep it straight. Just pull to the right.
Alright, just show him how. That's the steering wheel going straight. Let it go, just let it go.
No, it's gonna pull to the right, bro.
Let it go, just let it go.
It just skips. Look.
Yeah, turn off the seat so I can hear it.
I think you might just lose fucking 46 bills, bro.
Huh?
You might just lose 46 bills. They have to call the towing.
If it breaks down, just leave it there.
I feel like the wheels are gonna come out, bro. You're joking. Like, this is me trying to keep it straight, bro.
Oh, shit.
Turn on the heat, I can't see shit.
Go left.
What do you mean go left? There's a fucking car behind us. If this bitch goes left, I'm trying to make this bitch go left.
The locks are frozen. The locks used to work, the window locks.
Damn, he fucked this car up.
Got the title right here. Woo, woo. To work out or whatever.
I'm sweating, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm fucking sweating. My bag is like fucking wet, bro.
Ain't nobody got time for that shit.
Oh shit. Oh, we hit the curb.
I know
We hit the curb.
I know we hit the curb, bro.
Okay, we'll just go take it to your house. We'll just take it to your
I'm
house.
telling you, bro.
Oh shit.
I'm telling you, it's not fucking safe, bro. It's fucking like, I'm trying to keep it as straight as possible. It's better at my house.
Yeah.
So we throw on the fucking doing this.
We'll go pick it up tomorrow. Hey.
Scorpius, stop. Stop.
Don't bum my nuts, man.
We're going to Taco Bell. Taco smells shit. We should bring this to run.
Goes to the drive-thru. The dine's in, right?
I don't feel like getting out, you know, at that moment.
It's in the back. It's so cold out here.
Nah, I'm not.
Come on, let's go smoke a square over here. Oh my god. It's freezing.
I thought that was the brother over there. Here.
No.
Did you leave it in the bathroom?
I left it at Taco Bell.
No. You didn't.
Well,
Huh?
I didn't take anything off in the bathroom.
Okay, then let's go. We gotta go back to Taco Bell.
Wow.
I can't believe I got the lifts and shit.
Hey, the kid's jacket's still right there, dude. That's crazy. Holy shit.
Dude, look how bright this shit is, dude. Dude, this motherfucker.
The left one sucks. The right one's the
Look,
toaster oven.
This shit like fucking, like literally like
I can feel the heat already, dude.
Dude.
Oh my god.